Hello everyone, welcome to MSCR Makes. I'm Miss Julia and today I am going to show you how to make a drawing with crayons and watercolor. For this project you will need some crayons or another waxy substance, some water, some watercolors, a few paintbrushes, some paper, and a little bit of paper towel. You can pause the video here to go and gather all of your supplies. If you do not have watercolor, grab some food coloring instead. That will work just as well. Now that you've gathered all of your supplies, I'm going to move some things out of the way so that I have more space to work. The first thing I'm going to do is grab one of my pieces of paper. Place it where you all can see it. The next thing I'm going to do is select a crayon that I want to use. I think today I feel like using this purple crayon. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw some designs. This crayon looks more blue on the paper. That's okay. I'm going to practice writing my name. And I'm also going to grab my white crayon out. The white crayon is really cool to use on the light colored paper for this project. It will reveal a surprise. I'll write a secret message to everyone. Once you've colored your paper with your crayons and use as many designs as you'd like, we'll go on to the next part of this project. The next part is our watercolor. Remember, if you do not have watercolor, you can use food color as well. To use the food coloring, all you need to do is get a small bowl or two, or a glass. Put a little bit of water in there, and take out your favorite color of food coloring and put in just a drop or two. Once you've done that, you can take one of your brushes and mix up your food coloring with the water. It will work just like watercolor. I'm also going to keep a glass of clean water too, so that I can rinse off my brushes. So, now that I have my colors and my paper and my brushes, I'm going to get my brush a little bit wet, pick a color that I like, rub, rub, rub onto the watercolor, and then as I paint my watercolor on, you can see that the watercolor does not go where the crayon does. I'll try a darker color too so you can see it a little better. So feel free to mix lots and lots of colors. Use your imagination and have fun with this project. I'll also show you the secret message that I wrote. It's right over here with the white crayon. It says hi, so I'm saying hi to all of you. So you can do this project however you would like. I'll show you one more example that I started earlier. I will set this one aside to dry. This is the one that I colored with my crayons earlier. Do you want to take a moment and guess what might be my hidden drawing underneath? Now that you've had a moment to guess, I'm going to use some of the watercolor and reveal my drawings. Look at all those fish. It's an underwater scene. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's project. And remember, you can always rewind the video and watch again if you forgot some of the steps. Thanks for joining me. Bye!